Good morning, children. Today we are going to start question number 10 of exercise 11.2. Chapter is mensuration. In this question, they have given a regular pentagon to you. Clear? Each side is a 15 centimeter. From this point to this line, the height is a 30 meter is given in the question. Now here are two girls, which is both are solving this question by the two different ways. Clear? Jyoti has divided the pentagon into two trapezium, right angle trapezium, but Kavita has divided the pentagon into one triangle and one square. Now see, in this question they are saying find the area by both the methods which is adopted by Kavita and Jyoti, and after that you have to tell is it same or not. Clear? So Jyoti's figure, first we will discuss the Jyoti's figure. We know that this distance is a 15 meter. Clear? Jyoti has divided the trapezium into two equal parts. So the half length is a 7.5. What is the half of 15? It's a 7.5 and 7.5. Is it clear? Now region 1 and region 2. Clear? Area of first region is in the shape of right angle trapezium. What is the formula? 1 by 2 height A plus B. Clear? 1 by 2. What is the height? Height is a 7.5. This is a height. Is it clear? Then after that, it's a parallel sides. These two sides are parallel. One is 15 meter and second one is a 30 meter. 15 meter plus 30 meter. Now 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 45. Solve the calculation. Here would be 2.5. Okay? Then multiply 7.5 into 2.5. Whatever the answer you get it will come in the meter square. Okay? Then area of region 2. Area of region 2 will also be a half into height A plus B. Clear? Same way, 1 by 2 into 7.5, 15 plus 30. 1 by 2, 7.5 into 45. Clear? 1 by 2, sorry, not 1 by 2, 7.5 multiply 22.5. Whatever the answer you get it in a meter square, then add these two. Area of region 1 plus area of region 2. Let us suppose here it is coming B, here it is coming a capital A. Then add it A plus B. After solving the calculation, your answer must be equal to 337.5 meter square. If you have any doubt, then please tell to me in a WhatsApp group. Is it clear, beta? Now, next method is by Kavita's method. The method is one is a triangle and she divided into one is in a triangle by Kavita's method. Clear? After that, she divided into a triangle ABCDE. Triangle, area of a triangle ABE is 1 by 2 base into height. Now this is a base now. What is the value of a base? Base is this BE is parallel to CD. So it must be equal to 15, and from this point to this the height is a 30, but ED is equal to 15. So 30 minus 15 will be equal to 15 only. Solve this calculation. It's a 7.5. 7.5 into 15. Whatever the answer is coming, it's in a meter square. A meter square. Now, area of a figure, square figure B, C, D, E. It's the side into side. So 15 into 15. The answer is, whatever the answer is coming, maybe 225 meter square. Let us suppose this is the B, and after that add it. Area of pentagon. Area of a pentagon A, B, C, D, E is A plus B. Solve this calculation, you get it a 337.5 meter square. Clear? If you have any doubt, then please tell to me. Next, question number 11. In this question, they have given a two rectangle. One is inside and second one is outside. Outer one rectangle dimension is 24 centimeter and 28 centimeter. Inner one rectangle is 16 and 20. Clear? So they have joined the vertices. After that you get it a 4 trapezium. Clear? One trapezium, the area of a first trapezium is equal to area of a third trapezium. Similarly, area of a second trapezium will be equal to area of a fourth trapezium. Clear? Now see this. You will know that this dimension is 28. This dimension is 28. From here, the distance is 20. What is the length of this one and this one? 28 minus 20, you will get 8 centimeter. After that, here are two parts that is in an equal shape. So, it must be equal to 4 centimeter. This also be equal to 4 centimeter. Is it clear? In the same way, you know that this length is a 24 centimeter and this one is a 16 centimeter. Is it clear now? So, what will be the length of these portions? What will be the length of these portion? It's a 24 centimeter minus 16 centimeter, you get a 8 centimeter. Further, you divide into two equal parts. After dividing, this must be equal to a 4 centimeter and this would also be equal to a 4 centimeter. Clear? So, area of first trapezium and trapezium is equal to area of third trapezium, that is a 1/2 height A plus B. Clear? So, height we have already found, it's a 4 centimeter and one side is a 16 and second side is a 24. Here 2, 16 plus 24, it's a 40. 40 multiplied by 2, it's a 80 meter square. From this question, this method, we got it. The area of a trapezium and area of a third trapezium are 80 meter square. Clear? Now, area of second trapezium and area of fourth trapezium. Clear? 1/2 height A plus B. See this? What is the height? Here is a 4 centimeter. 1/2 into, what is the A? A is a, what is the A? It's a 20. What is the B? 28 centimeter. 20 plus 28. Here 2, 8, 48. So answer is 96 meter square. area of second region and area of fourth trapezium is equal to 96 meter square. Thank you beta.